Ever wondered how to make your animations truly talk? Let's dive into animating an old man's facial expressions in Adobe Animate, starting with the very basics. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project with your desired dimensions and frame rate. This is where the magic begins. Begin by drawing your old man's head. Focus on a simple, clear character design. Make the initial face structure with a neutral expression so animating different emotions are clear and simple. Now, let's turn on the power of keyframes. The timeline is your best friend. Create keyframes at different points along the timeline where you want your character's expression to change. A new keyframe creates a blank slate. On your initial keyframe, let's give him a gentle smile. Use the selection and transform tools to adjust the mouth and cheeks, creating a subtle upturn. Now, move ahead a few frames and add a keyframe. This is where the fun starts. Add wrinkles around the eyes with the selection tool, slightly altering the mouth, perhaps a brow raise. Focus on small movements that bring life to face. To maximize realism, add simple blinks or the slightest changes in the mouth and eyebrows. Creating microexpressions in between these small details make a big difference. Remember to review your animation between keyframes. Adjusting the spacing between keyframes affects how quickly the changes happen. Experiment constantly by playing around the frame rate and features. Congratulations, you've taken your first steps animating realistic expressions. Keep playing around until you master the expressions and movements.